Guys, today I'm excited because I'm about to show you how I've been making 1 to 2% daily without fail, copy trading this trader's signals. Okay, so basically she trades gold and every trade that she places goes into my trading account as well. So this is how I'm making money. I'm making literally passive income for the past 2 months, copy trading Queen Goldie's trades, guys. Yeah, that's her name. Her name is Queen Goldie because she only trades gold. And she is so incredibly precise and accurate in the marketplace. So let's go ahead and let me show you exactly what I'm doing to make passive income. Let's go. Check it out. Hey guys, so I'm in the back end of my lirunex account. All right, lirunex is the broker. They've been operating for 7 years and they are a regulated broker, guys. All right, so I'm in the back end here just to kind of peel back the curtains and show you how this portfolio has been doing, copying Queen Goldie's trades. All right, so I started December 4th, so it's been roughly about a month and a couple weeks. All right, and not even like a full kind of month and a couple weeks, because in December there was some time block that there was no trades due to the holidays. All right, but look at this, guys. I started with 1500, okay, and this is the gross profit on it. So realized profit is about 268. So that includes, like, you know, both her performance fees, which at the end of every week, whatever profit that she makes, she gets 30% of it, which is fine for me because this is completely passive income for me. Okay, so let me just take you through this, guys. You can see all the boom, 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 all the profitable trades. Profitable trades, look at that. Profitable trades, right? This day maybe $8 here, but profitable trades. This 23 here is her performance. What I was saying, that at the end of every week she gets the 30% performance. So that's that here, and then this is this here, those numbers there, right? But you can see here on the 11th of January I withdrew about $162 just to kind of reward myself, and also just to make sure that there was no issues with withdrawing from this broker. I always like to do that just as a test, and I was able to do that. I put some of this money in my other trading account, and I moved $50 to my crypto wallet, which you can see here. Let me cycle back and find it here. Oh, there you go. Okay, so January 12th, you can see that I pulled out $50 and I moved it over, and the rest I moved it to my other trading account on this broker. Okay, so I'll show you that here. Yeah, so you can see here on the 12th of January, $52. So there was maybe a $2 transaction fee, and I got $50 from that on the 12th of January. Okay, so this trader is amazing. Like, I've made roughly about over 14%, right? And it hasn't even been like a full, you know, it hasn't even been a full like a month and a half, because there was holidays in December. But let me show you how accurate this trader is. All right, so this is Queen Goldie. She only trades gold, and she has two copy trading options. So the first one is a conservative one, right? Where the ROI since she began that one a couple months ago has been 16.25. Okay, so this is the conservative one. For me, I went with the double risk one, just because I'm more aggressive, and that one is basically double whatever the conservative is. All right, so you can see the win rate, guys. The win rate is phenomenal. All right, there's not a whole lot of traders with this win rate. Actually, there's very few traders in the world with this win rate. This is almost a 90% win rate. Look at the returns, 32%. All right, 32%. Let me drill in so you can see. Look at this, 89.47% win rate. That's amazing, guys. Look at this. Like, so this began, she opened this to the public on for lirunex. She opened this on the 15th. Like before that, she was trading profitably with social trading tools, which is like a trade copier. But she wanted to move into just having it directly on the broker due to some legs in copy trading and stuff like that. And lirunex so far has been great. Like it's been amazing. So November 15 here, it began. And look at the trajectory, man. Just up, 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 up. Right? This is a seasoned trader who focuses on just gold, right? And has literally perfected it. Okay, has literally perfected it. So the ROI from November 15, so just a couple months back, has been 32%. Like this is incredible, guys. Think about what this can do for you passively. Meaning that once you set this up, you don't have to lift up a finger. Everything is done automatically. Everything is copied on autopilot. Guys, this is a game changer for 2024. Okay, if you're tired of all those crypto scams and all those projects that don't work, this is a project that is a long-term play, guys. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a project that's a long-term play, right? What bank do you know that's going to give you 32% ROI in 2 months? What bank do you know that's going to give you that? None. Right? So this is a long-term play, guys, with amazing rewards. All right. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just showing you what I'm doing with my money in 2024. And this is one of my top investments in 2024. My top passive investment. All right. Let me quickly show you the Telegram and show you, how many subscribers are on this right now. All right, so you can see here, this is the Telegram channel, Queen Goldie's Telegram here. 560 subscribers. Okay, now maybe not all of them are subscribed to the copy trading signal, but a large majority of that number is. You can see here high and low risk wins to date. Just a recap of that. She sends out daily reports. So on this day, 1.02% on the regular risk, 2% on the higher risk. The weekly report, 2.7 on regular, 3.85 on the higher risk. And then she puts the projected $1,000 at 2% daily on average in terms of compounding. It's roughly about 115K in 1 year. Guys, even if we only get half of that, all right, even if we only get the target of half of that, or even, man, like even if we quadruple our income, how amazing is that? How amazing is it to say, hey, I took $1,000 and at the end of the year I made 30K on it or 50K on it, right? Or to say I took $1,000 at the end of the year, or in 6 months I made 6,000 on it or 10,000 on it. Guys, this is amazing, and this is completely passive income, right? She says, I started trading 7 years ago with $100, and now I have multiple six-figure accounts. I wish it was automated. Yeah, she manually trades, guys. She's not using a robot or anything. She actually manually goes into the market and trades. All right, so as soon as she takes the trade on her account, it gets copied over to our accounts. And if you're already you're ready to get started, guys, I have literally made a step-by-step guide on how to get started. All right, so if you check out my link tree here, it shows you exactly how to register. All right, I have a link on this video on how to register, so make sure you use the link from the video, guys. Or if somebody invited you here, then you can use their link, but make sure you use my link there to register for lirunex, and it's literally at the bottom of this video. Okay, so it's right here. So when you go to that video, it'll say use this link to register. Click on that link and it'll take you to the lirunex broker to register. Step number 2 is how to deposit. Step 3, how to create a trading account. So I have all the step-by-step right here for you guys to make it easy. Okay, to make it easy and simple. All right, so Yeah, just look at this, man. Good morning. Okay, today's Martin Luther King Day. No trades. 1.25% on a regular risk. 2.50. So some days are even higher than 2%. Look at that. 2.50. All right, and then 0.80 the next day. This was actually, I think this was today. Yeah, this was today. So 0.80% on regular risk and 1.6% on the higher risk. Okay, so weekly report so far has been about 4.1% on the high risk and 2.05% on regular risk. And the beautiful thing, guys, about this, broker as well is that, and copy trading is you can withdraw anytime you want. Your money is not locked in. All right, you can withdraw anytime you want. And honestly, for me, like that's great. That's great because you never know. Maybe you might need emergency funds or whatever. And if you want to take some of the profits, you can always do that. You can always choose to do that, guys. But let me show you this. Let me show you this real quick on the compounding chart. Okay, so let's say that I started with 1,000, making 2% daily. But you know what? Let's be conservative. Let's be conservative. So I'll say about 1% daily. And we'll take that for a year. Okay, actually first let's do 6 months. Let's do 6 months and include all the days of the week. No, because trading is Monday to Friday, so I'm not going to include all the days of the week. And we will just calculate that. All right, let's calculate that. What is that looking like after 6 months? So the investment value after 6 months is roughly about $3,645. That's a 264% ROI. All right, all passive income, guys. All passive income. Look at this. Look at the breakdown. So generate about 104, 256 in Feb, 316 in March, 410, and it just keeps on growing. It just keeps on growing. So let me go now with the power of compounding. Let me go now for 12 months and let's see what that looks like. Look at that. So that says roughly about $13,558 in compound interest. That's about a 1,255% growth. Guys, what bank do you know that's going to give you this amount of growth? No bank will do that for you. And with a high 90% win rate, I believe that we will smash this number. I believe that we'll smash this number. Like, this is on the more conservative side. All right, if I was to go 2% daily, all right, because now the markets are starting to ramp up, right? The markets are starting to go in full swing again after all these holidays. So if I go 2%, look at this, $179,000 or 17,816% ROI. Honestly, even if we do half of this and only do like what 180 divided by 2, what is that, 90? So even if we do like 90K, if at the end of the year I can say, hey, my $1,000 turned into 90K or even 60K or even 50K, I'm going to be over the moon. There's no stopping this. I'm going to be over the moon, guys. So anyway, this is my number one passive income play in 2024. Okay, so if you want to get started, I have all the instructions in the link below, so you can follow along, guys. You can follow along. All right, and you can know exactly how to step by step get started with this, right? Because trading still continues. Tomorrow there's gonna be more trades, and Friday there's going to be more trades. All right, so don't miss out, guys. Plug in, so you can make this a reality. All right, so that's my time. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to link me on Telegram and reach out to me, and I will answer any question that you have. All right, guys, so for now, take care. God bless. I'll talk to you later. Bye.